What's up? You're morning, you're hello, you're sleepy, you better wake up. Welcome back to Licia Life and Travel. I am Licia, a lifestyle and travel vlogger. Your queen explorer. How you doing? Okay, so my husband got me a gift. And in this box, there's a bag that he bought for me. A black bag. The man say I can change my bag when I grab one bag. Me and we can go on to explore. Okay, so let me come back to standard English for my other audience. My other followers. So my husband bought me a black bag, and the reason is he said when I grab or when I hold onto one bag, I don't change it easily. Looking for it, I go buy again. He said I don't change it easily, so he bought me a black bag since I don't change it easily, because recently I grabbed one colorful one, so he's like, I will get you a black bag so you can use it for your everyday. And I'm like, okay, you remember that little waist bag I used to use, right? So I'm ready to unbox, and I want you to unbox with me. And this man, he knows quality, so I'm excited to see what kind of bag he bought for me. And not that I don't like to change bags or something, but I mean, changing the bag, it's just me. And not that I don't like things, I do love things. But hey, what works in the meantime, what gets the job going, I'm good. There's always time for anything. Let's unbox. Yeah, let's see what's in the box. So this is the box. But this is the box. Let's see what's in it. Okay, let's open this up. Unboxing is so beautiful, but I don't like the ones they can close so tightly. You be trying to figure your way. This looks like some quality stuff, like, yeah. Oh my god, we still got another box. Oh. The man got me some Gucci. He knows I'm not so much big with the brand name things. Oh, this feels. Okay. You ready? Okay, I see you. Now where's the scissors? Let me open this thing. Okay, so we see this, right? There's some good stuff. Let's open it up and see. Everything falling down, my people. Okay. Look at this, the strap, the bag rope. Oh man. Okay, it's like this. The inside part is some material. It feels good. What is this? I give up. This is oh, why this thing got to sound so heavy like this? Okay, so yeah, this is what we got. This is what we got. But this is really beautiful. This is good. I like it. I love it. I love it, Papi. Thank you so much, Mr. Loveland. Thank you so much. Now I gotta figure out how to put this thing on the bag because I don't know. But hey, this is it. And yep, at least this one can hold my small thing in. My little, you know, this can hold my little things as I travel around, do business. Yep. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.